Ever since people started washing cars, the norm has been to use a bucket and wash mitt. Then came pressure washers. The problem, however, is even with the pressure washer, people continue to wash their car the same way. What if I were to tell you there's a better and safer way to wash your car with a pressure washer? 3D's Ultra Blast Foamer leverages the power of your pressure washer and adds the remarkable cleaning ability of foam. Washing your car with the Ultra Blast Foamer is safer because it creates a thick, frothy layer of foam that clings to the paint, especially vertical panels, which lubricates the surface better while at the same time lifting the dirt away. The results are dramatically safer washing to protect your car's delicate finish while preserving its value. You can adjust the spray nozzle to dial in the spray pattern that works best for your vehicle. Plus, the Ultra Blast Foamer works with any brand of gas or electric pressure washer. 3D's Ultra Blast Foamer makes washing fun again.